Hi, this is a client node. So we are running the test cases here. So let me run my first test case. Yeah, I'm just copying, pasting. So we can see here, this is the first test case where same file is on both servers. So we can see here replica content identical on both servers. So this test shows that when replicas have the same content, server 1 returns only one file to the client. So this is the one file which is being returned to the client. Now do the test 2 where we have different file on both servers. So I'm pasting the command for the test 2. So here, so I think test. This is the test 2. Actually, we have been able to paste test 1 only. Let me paste for the test 2. So let me, yeah. So what I've done is here we have two different files in the server 1 and in the server 2. So now what it is doing is this test shows that when the replicas are different, server 1 returns both files to the client. So in this case, we can see there that we have two files that is being returned, right? That is this is server 1 version of diff.txt. This is server 2 version of diff2 diff.txt. So we have run two test cases till now, where when we have the same file and different file. Now let's go to the test 3 when we have file only on server 1. So let me paste the command here. So I'm pasting the command. So let's see what it will come. Okay. Okay, so what we can see here, this test shows that if the file is available only on server 1, it is still returned to the client through server 1 only. So what we can see here is this file is being returned and it says this file exists only on server 1. This is updated by Satya test. So Satya is actually running server 1. Okay. So that's why like we have in the this text file only one.txt we have put this content which shows that it is only being returned from this server 1. Now let's go to the fourth test case where the file is being returned from the server 2. So I am just copying and pasting the command which I've already saved before. So I've put. Okay, let's see what is the output. So output is that it is returned from the server 2 and this is the content that this file exists only on server 2 prepared and updated by Jyoti. So for Jyoti we have the server 2. Okay, so in Jyoti node we have actually set up the server 2. So this test shows that if the file is available only on server 2, server 1 fetches it and returns it to the client. Okay, now we have the fifth test case where we are saying that file is missing on both. So let me run the test case where file is missing on both. Okay, and see, let's see like if server 1 and server 2 is not having this file only 2.txt, what will happen? Okay, so uh, okay, actually this was the test for only. Let me copy and paste again my test 5 command. I am doing it again. This is paste. Okay. Okay. So what is happening here is this test shows that if the file is missing on both servers, server 1 sends an appropriate not found message. So file not found on both servers. So one appropriate message is being sent by the server 1 that this file is not being sent. Okay. So so let's do one final test of path name. Okay, let's do the path name request. What it will do is that this test case will actually show that client can request a file using a path name, not just a simple file name. So let me run it. Okay, so it actually clearly says this nested path name file is available on both servers. Okay, that is all. Thank you.